So over here you can see that I have a cube on my viewport. So if I were to go over here and then go on to edit mode and add in some subdivisions. So I'm just going to go around into subdivide right here and add in some details onto this by increasing the value. Let's say, for example, I'm going to have 3 times more subdivision. So if I were to press tab on my keyboard and if I were to press Control 3 right here, you can see that this is how it looks. But you can see that the object right here is not smooth. You can still see the details of the faces just like this. So what I want to do is, let's say I want to make this smooth. So one of the option is to increase the level of smoothing right here. That is, I can go to level 4. You can still see that it is not smooth. But if I were to go really high, most of the computers, they might not be able to handle such high polygon count. So what you have to do is you have to save this as smooth. So in order to do that, if I were to press tab on my keyboard, you can see that this is what you have. And now what I can do is I can go on to the face mode right here. And then if I were to press A, everything is selected. So now what I can do is I can go to face and then choose shade smooth. So once I do that, you can see that it is smooth right here. So it has not increased the number of polygon count, but it has just selected that part and has given it a smooth look. You can see that now without the increased level of polygon count, the object actually looks smooth. So if I were to press Ctrl 2 on my keyboard, you can see that the polygon count decreases, but it is still smooth. You can see that there's a bit of a count right here. So this is the polygon count 1. It is still smooth, as you can see right here. So you can see the details over here, like there's the straight line, which is the number of polygon count. But if I were to press 2 or 3, you can see that it increases the polygon count, but is very smooth compared to before. So if I were to press tab again, this is what you see right here. So you can go around and select the face. Let's say, for example, if I were to select this, if I were to move this, you can see that it looks much more smoother. So I can select this around over here, go to face right here, and then you can see that once I smooth that out, it becomes smooth over here for that section. But if I want to go around and then go back to the previous state, I can go on to faces and click on shade flat. So now I simply selected the right side of the block right here. So you can see that on the left side, it is still smooth, but on the right side, it is shaded flat. And that is how you can shade smooth and then shade it back to flat inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.